Are you going? Welcome to Templeman versus Food. We've got in the microwave right now, I'm going to go 45 seconds. We've got some death sauce wings from Grinders in the microwave that we're heating up. And we have contestants. Contestant A is Seth Templeman.
Exhibit A.
He's going to try to eat one wing. One wing for him. You're going to eat two? We'll see. Contestant B is Kelly Templeman. And she's going to try to eat one wing. Now I have 6 wings.
Try old carpet.
Contestant C is Dave Templeman. And he's going to try to eat whatever else isn't eaten by contestant A and B.
I'm going to eat more than you.
Oh, that he thinks he can eat more than me. He has no idea what's in store. All right. I believe we're almost ready. Oh.
Oh my God.
Let's see. Are they?
They
are warm.
They are fine.
All right. I'm taking the death wings. The death wings are being distributed evenly. Death wing for you. You said 2? You said 1?
We should probably go. We should go one by one.
And I got the rest.
We should go one by one.
I got the rest here. All right.
Can we put this stuff on it?
Absolutely. You might want it. Okay, now.
Oh my God, I can smell it.
Here's the rules. You will get death sauce on your hands.
Oh God.
Do not touch your face or any other part of your body. Open sores, wounds, anything like that. Once you have the death sauce on your fingers, because this is death sauce. All right. Ready to go?
Let's do it. Yes.
All right, knock yourself out. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God. Oh my. Oh my God. I'm already wheezy. Oh. Wow. It's not that hot.
No, not that hot. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Oh.
It's actually a pretty good wing.
Mm-hmm.
See that? Alright.
Now the burn starts. Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got the hiccups. Oh, I got the hiccups.
Eyes are starting to water. Oh.
Mom, you better stop. You give up.
Mom finished one. All right.
I'm on my second.
She's giving up.
Oh.
Wow. Zach, can you pour me a glass of
Oh
water?
my God. That's hot.
Okay, that's alright.
My strategy of putting a lot in the putting a lot in my mouth and eating fast is backfiring. Oh.
I'm done.
Let the burn.
No, you're not. You're not even close to done. Look at all the meat.
Let
That is not done. This is done.
Feel the burn.
Oh, these are brutal. Oh,
He's starting to cry.
I don't know if I can finish. These are awful. Oh my God.
Awfully good.
Is that done, Dad?
Oh no.
That's done for
This is done. Those are done wings right there. Wow. The burn kind of creeps up on you, doesn't it?
Oh God.
You know, Carpet,
Who's
your
good?
brother Zach says you're done. Go over and tell him you're done.
No.
Oh.
Oh, wash your hands really good.
Oh.
Eat your carrots.
I'm crying, man.
Yeah, eat my carrots.
Oh.
Put that on your face,
3.
Can you do 4?
Come on, Carpet.
We don't have 4.
Oh.
I couldn't do 6 of these. Oh my God. The water only postponed the pain. I can't feel my mouth.
Neither can I.
I can feel your mouth.
Oh my god.
Look at me, I'm crying. Look how red my face is. Sweating, crying.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Wipe your mouth. Wipe your mouth.
I would say in the battle of Templeman versus food tonight,
Templeman won.
Templeman wins. TVF, baby. In the aftermath of the Death Wing Sauce Challenge,
Oh my god. Oh,
how you feeling?
breathing.
Let me
is
see.
really
Take
hurting.
your hat off. Let me see your face. You're totally red. That's hilarious. So are you.
I am?
That's hilarious.
Why is it?
Ugh.
It hurts to breathe out.
Wow. That was intense.
That was intense. Cheers.
Had the milk out. Everybody's drinking
To the
water.
person who invented water.
To the person that invented the Death Wings. The Death Wing sauce. Look at how red your lips are. Your lips are cherry red. That's hilarious. How's the burn?
You think taking calcium will cool the burn?
I don't know.
Well, your lips are so completely red.
I think only time will cool the burn. Here, in videotape.
You still have
I can't
sauce.
get-
You still have sauce all over your face. Yeah.
Do I?
Yeah.
No wonder my face burns. I have sauce all over my face? Well, that would explain some of the heat.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Here's your milk, Steffi. I'm good.
I gotta tell you, I'm impressed. When I brought home the Death Wings, I didn't think anybody other than me was gonna be eating them. And here, my wife says I'll try it, and Seth
Ate two.
ate two. He ate almost as many as I did.
I would have if there was more.
In the epic battle that is
Yep.
Seth versus food.
Dave hogged them all.
Yeah, we can go down to Grinders right now. I'm ready.
Them all.
I'm ready to.
I only got one.
I only got one wing. All right. Well, next time we're at Grinders, we'll get a full order.
Two each.
We can get a full order at Grinders. They come 12. We can get an order of 24.
I'm good.
You're all right.
I'm good.
Woo! Nice job.
Woo! Amazing.